Peace divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you can be notified of more videos. I am making juice that is it has natural antimicrobial ingredients such as garlic and thyme and chili pepper, and then it also has apple and carrot and cucumber to balance out things. It supports your body's natural defenses, and it's vibrant and nourishing. And as always, I will be sure to put the tips, the ingredients, and everything in the description. I'm using the Hiram juicer, as you can see, and I will be sure to put that information in the description as well. And again, I'm using carrots, using some lovely thyme, I'm using some cucumber, I'm using some apple, and I'm using just a little bit of pepper. You can choose the chili pepper that you want to use. There are different chili peppers. I'm still learning all the different chili peppers, okay? But I'll put in the description the different which one that I chose. I'm going to put the cucumbers in, I'm going to put the apples in, I'm going to put the thyme in, I'm going to put the little small piece of pepper in, I'm going to put the carrots in, and I almost forgot the garlic. Okay, this wouldn't be a natural antibiotic juice without the garlic, right? So I'm going to put the garlic in. All right, and we are going to go ahead and juice it up. All right, I can smell the garlic and the apples. It smells very invigorating. I am thinking that we filled the whole thing up, so I'm thinking this is gonna be like 25 ounces. Let's see, it's like a nice orange. I made exactly 20 ounces, so that is really good. And you see the lovely orange color. So we are going to go ahead and try this natural antibiotic juice. Right, so remember we had garlic, almost forgot the garlic. We had apple, we had carrot, we had thyme, we had pepper, okay, we had cucumber, we have all the things, all the lovely things, right? We are going to go ahead and try this lovely, vibrant, and nourishing juice. Okay. I'm glad that I used, a little bit of pepper because I didn't want too much. And I taste the garlic, I taste the apple. I would imagine I taste the carrot. Carrots are sweet. I use the purple carrots. This is good, I like it. I think if you were new to juicing, you would like it. But as always, I love my divines and had to come on here to share my seasonal recipe. This is my first time trying this particular recipe. I guess I'll be trying a lot of new recipes. But as always, I want you to be well. I want you to be true to yourself, and be sure to check out my other juicing videos. And if you love all things wellness and family vlogs and holistic living and more, be sure to check out the rest of our videos and videos that we will be sharing in the future. Peace divines.